WINTON Group Ltd grew its position in SelesFirst.com Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange CRM, by 123.5% in the second quarter, according to the company in its most recent Form 13F filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The firm owned 204,166 shares of the CRM provider's stock after purchasing an additional 112,804 shares during the quarter. WINTON Group Ltd's holdings in SelesFirst.com were worth $17,681,000 as of its most recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Several other institutional investors and hedge funds have also recently bought and sold shares of the business. Janus Henderson Group PLC boosted its position in shares of SelesFirst.com by 911.7% during the second quarter. Janus Henderson Group PLC now owns 12,759,741 shares of the CRM provider's stock worth $1,104,945,000 after acquiring an additional 11,498,509 shares during the last quarter. Jennison Associates LLC boosted its position in shares of SelesFirst.com by 17.0% during the second quarter. Jennison Associates LLC now owns 18,819,812 shares of the CRM provider's stock worth $1,629,796,000 after acquiring an additional 2,740,329 shares during the last quarter. Vanguard Group Inc. boosted its position in shares of SelesFirst.com by 5.2% during the second quarter. Vanguard Group Inc. now owns 46,149,530 shares of the CRM provider's stock worth $3,996,548,000 after acquiring an additional 2,268,623 shares during the last quarter. Tybourne Capital Management HK Ltd boosted its position in shares of SelesFirst.com by 76.5% during the second quarter. Tybourne Capital Management HK Ltd now owns 4,738,144 shares of the CRM provider's stock worth $410,323,000 after acquiring an additional 2,053,200 shares during the last quarter. Finally, Janus Capital Management LLC boosted its position in shares of SelesFirst.com by 21.6% during the first quarter. Janus Capital Management LLC now owns 10,755,181 shares of the CRM provider's stock worth $927,363,000 after acquiring an additional 1,910,921 shares during the last quarter. Institutional investors and hedge funds own 86.00% of the company's stock. Get SelesFirst.com Incorporated alerts. Enter your email address. Submit. CRM has been the subject of several research reports. Stephens reiterated an overweight rating and set a $107 price objective, up previously from $100, on shares of SelesFirst.com in a research report on Thursday, August 31. Zacks Investment Research lowered shares of SelesFirst.com from a hold rating to a sell rating in a research report on Tuesday, July 11. Vetra lowered shares of SelesFirst.com from a hold rating to a strong sell rating and set a $80.76 price objective for the company. In a research report on Wednesday, October 11, MoffettNathanson assumed coverage on shares of SelesFirst.com in a research note on Wednesday, September 6. They issued a buy rating and a $125 target price on the stock. Finally, BNP Paribas reissued a buy rating and issued a $95 target price on shares of SelesFirst.com in a research note on Friday, August 25. 2 equities research analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 6 have assigned a hold rating and 45 have given a buy rating to the stock. The company presently has an average rating of 5 and an average target price of $102.75. SelesFirst.com Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange CRM, traded up 0.14% during midday trading on Monday, hitting $99.04. The stock had a trading volume of 1,751,179 shares. The stock has a 50-day moving average of $95.60 and a 200-day moving average of $90.32. SelesFirst.com Incorporated has a one-year low of $66.43 and a one-year high of $99.44. The firm's market cap is $71.18 billion. SelesFirst.com, New York Stock Exchange CRM, last announced its quarterly earnings data on Tuesday, August 22. The CRM provider reported 33 cents EPS for the quarter, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 9 cents by 24 cents. SelesFirst.com had a positive return on equity of 1.83% and a negative net margin of 0.85%. The firm had revenue of $2.56 billion for the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $2.52 billion. During the same period last year, the company earned 24 cents EPS. The business's quarterly revenue was up 25.7% compared to the same quarter last year. Analysts predict that SelesFirst.com Incorporated will post $1.32 EPS for the current fiscal year. In other SelesFirst.com news, Vice Chairman Keith Block sold 10,000 shares of SelesFirst.com stock in a transaction dated Thursday, October 19. The stock was sold at an average price of $96.66 for a total value of $966,600. Following the sale, the insider now owns 24,154 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $2,334,725.64. The transaction was disclosed in a document filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is accessible through the SEC website. Also, Director Craig Conway sold 602 shares of SelesFirst.com stock in a transaction dated Monday, September 25. The shares were sold at an average price of $94.76 for a total value of $57,045.52. Following the completion of the sale, the director now directly owns 9,908 shares in the company, valued at approximately $938,882.08. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. Insiders sold a total of 445,204 shares of company stock worth $41,687,934 over the last 90 days. 6.20% of the stock is owned by corporate insiders. SelesFirst.com profile. SelesFirst.com, Inc. is a provider of enterprise software delivered through the cloud with a focus on customer relationship management, CRM. The company focuses on cloud, mobile, social, Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence technologies. The company's service offerings are configured and integrated with other platforms and enterprise applications. Institutional ownership by quarter for SelesFirst.com, New York Stock Exchange CRM. Receive news and ratings for SelesFirst.com Incorporated daily. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings for SelesFirst.com Incorporated and related companies with MarketBeat.com's free daily email newsletter.